Welcome to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are covering a critical regulatory update from the European Union that directly impacts manufacturers of innovative medical technologies. Specifically, we will be discussing a significant timeline extension for medical devices that incorporate artificial intelligence. On July 27, 2026, a key piece of legislation known as the Digital Omnibus on Artificial Intelligence or Regulation EU 2026/1044 officially entered into force. This regulation brings important clarifications and adjustments to the EU's digital legislative framework. But for our listeners, its most impactful provision is the official postponement of the application date for the EU AI Act as it applies to high-risk AI systems embedded in medical devices and in vitro diagnostics. The new Unified Compliance deadline is now August 2, 2028. This is a crucial development for any manufacturer whose products fall under both the Medical Device Regulation, MDR, or In Vitro Diagnostic Regulation, IVDR, and the AI Act. This extension provides some much-needed breathing room. The original timelines created significant pressure on manufacturers to navigate two complex and demanding regulatory frameworks simultaneously. This postponement offers a more realistic timeframe for integrating the extensive requirements of the AI Act with the already stringent obligations of the MDR and IVDR. This directly impacts manufacturers of devices such as AI-powered diagnostic imaging software, clinical decision support systems that guide treatment, or AI-driven robotic surgical assistance. If your device uses machine learning, neural networks, or other AI models to achieve its intended medical purpose, this update is for you. The core challenge for these products is the dual conformity assessment. Your device must not only meet the fundamental safety and performance requirements of the MDR or IVDR, but it must also comply with the AI Act's specific requirements for transparency, data governance, robust risk management, and human oversight. A key operational detail is that the notified body assessing your device under the MDR or IVDR will also need to be formally designated under the AI Act to conduct this integrated assessment, adding another layer of complexity to the process. So, what practical actions should your regulatory and quality teams consider now? First, we urge you not to treat this extension as a holiday. Instead, use this additional time strategically. We recommend conducting a thorough gap analysis of your current systems against the AI Act's requirements. Reevaluate your product development and compliance roadmaps to build a more robust and integrated framework, rather than simply delaying the start of the work. This is an opportunity to get it right from the beginning. Second, focus on integrating the AI Act requirements directly into your existing quality management system. For instance, your ISO 1491 risk management file must be expanded to comprehensively address risks specific to the AI system, such as algorithmic bias, cybersecurity vulnerabilities like data poisoning, or a lack of transparency in decision-making. Similarly, your post-market surveillance plan must be adapted to actively monitor the AI system's performance and safety in a real-world clinical environment. Third, we strongly recommend initiating a dialogue with your notified body about their plans and timeline for AI Act designation. Proactively understanding their specific expectations for technical documentation related to AI can prevent significant delays and rework later. A clear conversation now can clarify submission requirements and help streamline the future conformity assessment process, ensuring you and your notified body are aligned. Finally, double down on your documentation and data governance practices. The AI Act is exceptionally meticulous about the quality, integrity, and management of data used to train, validate, and test AI systems. Ensure you maintain comprehensive records of your datasets, data annotation procedures, and the measures taken to ensure the data is relevant, representative, and free from undue bias. Your technical documentation must clearly describe the AI system's architecture, its performance metrics, and its inherent limitations to ensure transparency for both regulators and end users. In summary, The postponement of the EU AI Act compliance deadline to August 2, 2028, provides a critical window of opportunity for medical device manufacturers. It is a chance to thoughtfully align complex regulatory strategies and ensure robust, integrated compliance across multiple frameworks. If your organization needs assistance navigating the complexities of the EU MDR, IVDR, and the AI Act, or any other aspect of global market access, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find links to our free AI-powered regulatory tools and our global device database. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.